Hello, today we are going to explore Antelope Canyon together. I hope your time spent watching the video is worthwhile and that you'll give me a like and comment. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Antelope Canyon is a canyon located in Arizona, USA, and is situated on the land of the Navajo people. The canyon was formed over time by water erosion on the sandstone formations on top, making the shape and texture of the rocks inside the canyon quite unique. I think I understand better now why they named it Antelope Canyon. Antelope Canyon has become a popular tourist destination in recent years. Those who wish to visit the canyon must obtain permission from the Navajo people. Additionally, the visitation hours may change due to the risk of flash floods during periods of heavy rainfall.
Wow!
It's really crowded. Antelope Canyon is divided into two sections, the upper and lower sections. The upper section allows sunlight to enter while the lower section has a narrower and darker structure. The light play, shadows, and color transitions inside the canyon are quite striking and are frequently used by photographers. It's really a wonderful place. The sun's rays entering through the cracks create a magnificent view. As you progress through the canyon, even though the area narrows, you don't feel it. You feel like you're walking on a spacious forest trail. the best time to visit Antelope Canyon for those who want to is in the spring and fall during these seasons. The air temperature is more moderate and the likelihood of precipitation is lower. Additionally, to see the colorful light play created by the sun's rays entering the canyon, it is best to choose midday hours. It is mandatory to join guided tours to explore Antelope Canyon. These tours are important both for safety and cultural respect. Guides will provide you with information about the canyon's formation, history, and legends while also showing you the best photo spots. Sometimes it doesn't give the feeling that we're in a labyrinth either. Antelope Canyon is a place that nature lovers and photographers will admire. The views you will see here will enchant you and provide unforgettable moments.
Wow.
The light filtering in seems to dance with the rocks. The inside sometimes becomes colorful. Antelope Canyon is one of America's most beautiful natural wonders and a must-see destination. If you ever find yourself in Arizona, be sure to visit this canyon. You won't regret it. hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like the video. Let me know your thoughts about the canyon by writing in the comments. And continue to discover new places with me by subscribing to my channel. See you at the next tourist attraction. Goodbye.